Hey, Mikey. Yeah? You fight the dog thing.
On it.
You go help Cobra. And I'll fight the Stickmaster. The backup arrives versus Robo-dog. And go! Impossible! Take this! What happened to getting to Cobra, Finn? I'm trying to, but you guys are in the way. Take this, and this, and this.
So we meet again, Donatello.
I don't have time for this. Robo-dog, get him.
Good boy. I'll give you a treat if you try not to kill me. Ugh. Get off of me, you mangy mutt. Put him up. He transforms. Whoa. Raph.
Thanks, man. You okay? I'm fine. You guys can't win this, though. These guys are just too powerful. You're right. I gotta call Mickey. We need to get to Little Village, now. Let me come with you. Me and Sonic are the only ones who could beat him. You got a point there. Can you bring all us? Whenever you're ready. Let's go.
Why do they get to have all the fun?